This is the most random video in the world.
There's a bird.
A kid in the backyard.
There's Miles bathing.
Hi, Olivia and Lily. Look
And
at the birdie.
Olivia and Lily, you want to say hi?
Ooh, hi, birdie. Hi.
Olivia and Lily, you want to say hi? Oh, wonderful.
You wanna hold him?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Gentle, be gentle. Can they hold him?
Yeah.
He's gone.
Bye, Olivia.
This is our ghetto Greek family bathing in the backyard and chasing birds around. That's just what we do. That's just how we roll.
There's a rabbit rolling around somewhere too.
There is?
Yeah.
Where?
I think we've got him in the cage at the moment.
Okay.
No, leave him there. No, because Rocky's running away.
Yeah! Splash, 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 splash. Splash, 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 splash. Splash, 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 splash. 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 Look at his face. Splash. Hi. Hi, Olivia. Hi, Lily. Splash, splash, splash. Woohoo! You hear me? I'm soaked.
Swallowed a little water there.
Now, shall we get him in and dry it up?
Yep, that's it. You girls want to say goodbye to the camera?
Bye.
Lily, say bye. Olivia? Bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye, Miles. Miles? Miles?
Miles.
Miles.
Miles, bye.
Miles. Miles, say yes to mama. Bye. There we go.
There we go.